Once again, YouTubers, as you can see, we're back out at the shop again on the bike, and we got probably maybe one more welding connection to make here on the front pipe. So let's get to it. What I want to do is try and establish a foundation tack weld, and what we're going to do here is we're going to drill a hole in this flange and then get the welding probe in there and tack it off from out here, and then we'll fill the hole in and grind it smooth with the rest of the flange, and then we'll finish welding from the inside. So this seems to be the best access point, so I'm going to make a mark right here, and that's where we're going to drill the hole. And we're back. We got the hole drilled, exhaust back on, and we're ready to make the weld. So here we go. I'm gonna be in the way, but gotta get in there and do this. See if I can get it over here somehow. Okay, we got the flange attached and off the bike. I'm going to finish up with the inside weld. Okay, next we're going to need a new rear bracket for the back of the pipe. So that means I'm going to cut this old broken one off. Okay, YouTubers, it's time to call it a wrap for tonight. Until next time, keep on wrenching.